What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Pomni's evil twin from the amazing digital Circus. For today's list I'll be drawing with a Sharpie fine point marker. I've got some plain white paper and some markers to color with. Let's begin in the center of a page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We want to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, I'm going to draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then in, and then draw that same size circle on the right, just lining that up. Let's separate the inside of the pupils. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going across, and then we're going to draw an X across the center, starting from the top left, going across the middle, and then from the top right, coming down. Let's fold the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Starting from the left, come in on top of the eye. Let's kind of round this out and pull that up. Let's line this up on the right, coming down, going up, and then out. Let's add the cheeks underneath the eyes. On the left, we draw an oval, coming down, and then just tucking that up underneath the eyes. Now in between the cheeks, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. Let's come down and then up. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's move out and bend this up, above the eyebrows, go across, and then bend that down. From the ends, we're going to bend the hair, coming out and then down towards the bottom. Now from here, let's close this off. We'll come down and in towards the inside. Let's wrap the hair around the cheeks. We're going to go out, around the cheek and eye, and then tuck that up underneath. Now let's close off the bottom of the head. Starting underneath the hair on the left, curve the head coming down, across, and then up. Let's add some hair in the center. From the middle, step over towards the right, then it's out and down towards the left eye. A straight line going across, bend this up and then in. Let's add a smaller one on the right. Coming down, flatten this off, and bend that back up. Now you want to add that band across the head. Let's start on the left side. So you go up in the middle, a little bit thicker, go across and just taper down towards the side. Let's move back to the center, draw a straight line going up toward the top of the hat. And then we're going to bend this out, going up and out to the left and right side. Let's bend the hat, going out, and then curve that down towards the bottom. Let's add a circle along the bottom, all the way around, and then back up. Now from the top of our circle, we want to step in, curve the inside of the hat going up, and we're just going to bend that down in behind the trim along the side. And now we're going to add some thick stripes across the hat. From these 2 points, let's bend this in and then down towards the trim. Let's go to the bottom on the left, curve this up, round this out, and then come down. And do the same thing on the right, starting from the outside, going up, rounding up the top, and then bending that down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar, starting right in the middle, come down and out toward the side, and then we'll bend the collar, going out and then up underneath the head. Now from the bottom of the collar on the other side, we're going to curve the body, going around and then in towards the hips. And then bend this down and then out. Now from the hips, we want to bend this down and then in towards the center point. And then inside the body, let's add 2 circles. And one across the bottom. Let's add a line coming down, going in behind those circles. Let's add that detail across the hips. We're going to start with a bracket. And from here, bend this down and just taper that in towards the center. Now I'm going to add 2 circles across the bottom of the leg, starting on the left, going around. I just want to pull that up in the middle, down and around the right side. From the bottom of the leg, let's add a trim, going around and then up. Let's add in the legs. From the inside, draw a short angled line coming down and out towards the bottom. Round up the bottom. And then angle that back up underneath the trim. Now from the inside of the leg, let's bend this in and then down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, come down and then up towards the outside. From the left side, let's curve the foot, going up and then in, bend this down and in. Let's close off the outside from the ankle, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back and add some stripes across the leg. Starting from the outside, bend around and then in towards the bottom. And step in, come down and then out. Now going back up to the top, let's add in the shoulders. Starting from the top of the collar, going around and then in towards the side of the body. On the outside of the shoulders, let's add a trim, going around, just tuck that up underneath. And we'll add those same stripes across the shoulder, starting from the side of the body, going out and then down. Step down, come down, and then up. Now on the right side, we're going to have the arm coming down the side. We'll start with the inside of the arm, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Step out and then draw that again. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add the cuff. Starting from the inside, draw an oval, going all the way around. Now from the inside of the cuff, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. And then we'll layer 3 fingers across the bottom. Starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger, tucking this up underneath the cuff. Now the arm on the left is going to be holding the dagger. Let's start from the top, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. Step down, draw that again. Close off the end with a curve. Let's add that same cuff, starting from the top and draw that oval, going all the way around. Let's go to the top of the cuff, let's curl the thumb, going up and then down. Round out the tip of the thumb and bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval. Step down, draw another one, tucking that up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Let's layer the handle in behind the fingers. Starting underneath the thumb, we're going to come down in an angle, flatten off the bottom, and go back up underneath the finger. Now before we draw on the top, let's finish off the hand. From the bottom of the cuff, curve this down and then out. Let's continue these 2 lines along the side, along the top of the hand, going up, and we'll close this off. From the top corner on the right, step out, bend this up, and then in towards the top, and we'll curve that back down towards the handle, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Pomni's evil twin from the amazing digital circus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want more details on the art supplies that I used, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.